I reached out to them through a house that we were looking at.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
and then we just stuck with her.
Okay, you stuck with
Because
her?
she told me she could get it done. So.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, tell us about that.
So, prior to meeting Angela, people just didn't want to work with us. It was like, okay, well, you have this, but you don't have this, where she never gave up on us.
Okay.
She kept pushing, moving forward, and even when houses were being overbidded on and we kind of got down in the dumps, she didn't let us. She made us keep pushing forward, and now we got our first house.
It was not stressful.
No, it was actually great. I mean, even though I wasn't around a lot because of work, Angela always included me and in emails and everything. And if anybody ever asks me, I will refer to her, hands down, because she is the best.